The Whiterock castle was the first big project of this studio, and actually it was a 28 mm scale. Some details though were built in a different scale so that the piece was ready immediately without thinking too much to the scale and stuff like that. Now my skills are improved, so I'm daring something more. I'm sure that this piece can reach the, perfection. During this video we will follow a series of techniques, and you will see how I add some details and I correct some mistakes on this piece. Crack on!
The path we will travel together today is long and full of content, so take a seat, relax and enjoy this journey with this amazing piece. The main goal is to correct the loopholes that I built out of scale and add some important details. One of these is certainly the small dormer window, belonging to the fortified manor, of which I only have this specimen. The following images are very disturbing, and viewing is recommended for an adult audience only. Do you hear this noise? No crafter, no one should ever make such a noise on their own piece. Let's start by preparing the silicone mold. As you can see, I'm very careful to completely seal the pieces on the bottom, to prevent the silicone from getting into the cracks. I also need to rebuild the loopholes for the castle in 28mm scale. First, I use a piece of cardboard that helps me position the pieces in the right dimensions. Then I pick up the individual bricks and seal them directly on the base of the mold. As you can see, my molds are always very rich in pieces to clone, to minimize the waste of silicone. Now a little bit of porn music to keep the rhythm. Shake it, baby. Shake, shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Yeah, shake it, baby. Woohoo! Silicone mold. Mm-mm-mm. Always remember to pour the silicone with a thin stream from a height of at least 30 cm to minimize the formation of air bubbles. Once the silicone has solidified, it is the satisfactory moment of extracting the pieces. A rubble pie, chest and a trapdoor built by me, and then finally the dormer and the loopholes. This whole process lasted about a couple of days, and now we can finally use epoxy resin and recreate our clones. Don't do it like me. Always wear gloves when handling chemicals. Always, guys, safety first. The magic of resin is accomplished once again. And here we have another problem. Let's say that when I use the resin technique to create my clones, I can't stop immediately. It takes a few pieces, let's say a little more, okay, many pieces. Most of these pieces will be carefully integrated into our project. Now the complicated part. It was important to recreate the same brick pattern in the ruined points. I used air dry clay and tried to sculpt it on several steps with different elements, not least also the textured roll of green stuff wood. By positioning the new slits and some protruding bricks, we will help the blending effect. See? Loopholes are in place. In the other positions of the castle I applied almost the same technique, trying to hide the terrible scars as much as possible. Only after the painting process will it be possible to understand if we have been successful. Let's cross our fingers. Finally, I can also place the dormers. This time the castle will have 4, 2 on each side of the great room. Since I have several bits cloned from Games Workshop, I did not hold back and enrich the walls as much as possible, but being careful not to overdo it. And here is a final overview of the work in progress. Note the addition of some details, and it's only the beginning.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Remember, we are still running the 3K subscribers contest, so please check the video and don't forget to submit your beautiful houses to my email. Remember, this channel is sponsored by you. Don't forget to support the channel through Patreon or through PayPal. Offer me just a cup of coffee and you will make me very happy and you will help this channel grow and do better and better. Till next time, happy crafting!